Okay, so hello guys. Uh, Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue our Python Bootcamp series. So here I am going to write code for list. Okay, so we have different list example. Okay, here. So I am going to show you a real life example. I am going to share my screen with you here. Okay, so I already said that what is list. List are one of the most commonly used data structure in Python. Okay, and list is orderable, immutable. Okay, we can change the element inside this, or it can handle any kind of data type. Okay, so I already show you in previous video. So we are going to write a code for practical, like a real life, a real world scenario, or you can say practical example. Okay, so example one, manage a to-do list. Create a to-do list to keep track of task. Okay, so first of all, I have a list like this. Buy grocery. Inside this, I have element buy grocery, clean the house, and pay the bills. Okay, you can see here I have a variable to-do list equals to buy grocery, clean the house, and pay the bill. Okay, now I am going to add in to-do list what? In to-do list, I am going to append means add. I'm going to add what? Schedule task. Sorry, schedule meeting. I am going to append schedule meeting. Okay. I'm going to remove this. Then you print here list, to-do list. So what I have in list, you can check here. Buy grocery, clean the house. First element is buy grocery, second element is clean the house, and third element is the pay bill. Okay, and after this, I already appended schedule meeting. Okay, so that's why I have schedule meeting also here. Okay, now I am going to remove a completed task. Okay, so here remove a completed task, clean the house, or here I am going to write very well to do list. I am going to remove clean the house. This where these things I'm going to remove from list. Okay. Okay. Now we can check what I have in my to do list. Okay. Okay. So I have buy grocery, pay bills, and schedule meeting. Okay. Because I remove clean the house. Okay. Now I am going to check if task is in the list. Okay, so if pay bill, this one, this element, pay bills. If pay bills in to do list, oh, if pay bill in to do list, colon, I'm going to print, don't forget to pay the utility bill. Okay, I'm going to write here, don't forget to pay bill. Okay, and here I am going to print to do list remaining. To mm, mm, to do this is inside the list, okay, sorry, inside the string. This is not a variable. So here, to do list remaining. Now I'm going to use for loop for task in to do list, okay. Then for task in, oh, task in to do list. Oh, I'm just going to print this variable name. Okay, so for task in to do list, why I am going to rewrite again. And here, print, I am going to print task here by using F quotes, double quotes. I am writing task. Okay, so here I'm going to use loop if condition. If bill in the to do list, then don't forget to pay the bills. And here I'm going to print again to do list remaining. Okay, for task in to do list and print remaining task here. Okay, so schedule meeting. So it will print these things, don't forget to pay bill, and after this, remaining things I have in to do list. Okay, these are the remaining things. To do list remaining. So I have buy grocery in list and pay bills and schedule meeting. Okay, I hope you got it. I am going to also explain here. I start with this list: buy grocery, clean the house, and pay the bill. Okay, now I am going to add schedule meeting here. So it will become buy grocery, clean the house, and pay the bill, and schedule the meeting. Okay, and after this, I haven't append go for run. Okay, so I remove these things. Now I'm going to remove clean the house. Okay, so here remaining element buy grocery, pay bill, and schedule meeting, and go this things I'm not going to use here. Go for run this thing. Okay, I also remove go for run from here. Okay, so first of all, this is our list initially, and now after this, I'm going to append schedule meeting, and our list will become like this. Okay, and now remove the element from the list. Okay, and after this, we need to pay the bill. Okay, if pay bill in the list to do list, then we need to pay. Otherwise, it will print remaining element from the list. Okay, now I am going to use organize student grades. Okay, we have uh, student grades. I'm going to create variable name grades equals to 85, 92, 78, 90, and 88. Okay, I'm going to add new grade here. Okay, so here in grade I'm going to append 95. Where is 9 and where is 5? Okay, this is grades, not a grade. So you can check here by using print statement. Print grade. Okay, so before I have 85, 92, 78, 90, and 88 in grades. Okay, after appending 95 here, so I got new element in the end of list. Okay, so 85, 92, 78, 90, and 88, these are the initial element which I already have in list, and after adding 95, list will become like this. Okay, now calculating the average grade. Okay, so here I'm going to write code for grade. Average grade equals to sum of grades. Okay, sum of grades. Oh, this not sum, this is sum. Okay, sum of grades divided by length of grades. Okay, so we have sum of grade means we are going to add these elements. Okay, then we will got sum of sum of these elements. So here sum of grades divided by its length. Okay, so here we need to write every grade and divided by its length. Length is 5. Okay, and here after this I'm going to print here I'm going to print f in double quotes average average grade. So what should I got here? Here I got average grade. This is the grades I need to pass here. Okay, average grade. So I want these grades in a float. Okay, so that's why I need to write 2f. And here after this I need to close quotes. Okay, now you can print this. Okay, so average grade is 88.0. Okay, now we can also print highest grade and lowest grade. Okay, so here highest grade equals to maximum grades. And here I need to write minimum. I also calculate minimum grade. Here I need to write lowest grade. Now I need to print both of these. Okay, highest grade. First of all, I need to print highest grade here. And here I am going to print lowest grade. Okay, now you can see highest grade is 95 and lowest grade is 78. You can see here I have highest grade is 95. I have already added 95 and lowest grade is 78. Okay, so here these are the student grades. I am adding new grades, that is 95. Here I am going to calculate of these grades. Okay, I'm going to calculate average of these grades. Okay, and now I'm going to print average of this grade like here. Okay, and finding the highest and lowest grade by using min max function. Okay, and print highest and lowest grade. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I am going to use manage an inventory. Okay. So use a list to manage the inventory item in iStore. Okay. So here manage the inventory. So I have inventory equals to different element. Okay. Like apple, like cherry, kiwi, comma, orange. Okay, I have these element inside the our inventory in list. Okay, now I am going to add element in the inventory. Okay, inventory dot append means I'm going to add element. I'm going to add a strawberry. Straw Strawberries. Okay, now I am going to remove item that is out of stock. Okay, so I am going to remove kiwi. Or no, I am going to remove cherry. You can remove any. I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. I am going to remove cherry. Okay, checking if item is in stock. Now I am going to check. Okay, item equals to orange. 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 Okay, it should be in string. I can't uh, write a string without quotes. Okay, so here I am going to use condition if item in inventory. If item in inventory, then I'm going to print item. Okay, so here I can write item are store. Okay, item are store. Sorry, item in stock. Item are in stock. Okay, and else I am going to use else condition. Else print f items f item are out of stock. Okay, now I am going to print. Mhm. Here I am going to print inventory list. I'm going to use for loop for item in inventory, then print items. Okay, so here you can see I got response. Okay, so first of all you need to append strawberry in this list, okay, and remove the cherry from this list, okay. And after that you need to check that orange is present in this list, okay, or you can say orange is present in the inventory. If orange, if item is, if item, this item orange in the inventory, print are in stock, okay. So here, print are orange are in stock, okay. If orange is not present in stock, then it will print item out of stock, okay. And here, print the inventory list, okay. So presently I have apple, kiwi, orange, and strawberry in the inventory. Okay, we can sell it now. Okay, so now I am going to use collecting user feedback. Okay, so here we have user comments good, bad, excellent, or okay. Okay, so now I am going to count positive comment. Okay, so here, mm, 1 minute. Here I am going to write p equals to sum of 1 4 x in c if good. In x dot or excellent. Okay, I have excellent. This excellent. EXELENT. Okay. Okay, so you can check here. I am. This is a user comment list. It has good, bad, and excellent, and okay. Okay. So I am going to count positive comment. Okay. So bad or excellent. So sum of, here I'm going to calculate sum. Okay, so 1 4 x and c means we have one count here. Okay, c means character. Sorry, c means this list. C means this whole list. Okay, and here I'm going to take element one by one. We can take x equals to good initially. Okay, for 1 4 x in c. Okay, so we can check good is good count here is 1. Okay, and we can check if good in x dot lower, this is for lowercase, like it will convert into a capital or lower, or it will give excellent. Okay, so here you can see we have good, bad, and excellent, and okay. So all the comments, or you can also print p if you want to check what is the sum. So here you need to print p. Okay, so we have 4 elements, 1 2 3 4. We have one good, one bad, one excellent, and one okay.